Hello, my name is Serena Panosian and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. I have some exciting news to share. Did you know that our Summer Discovery Program has started? This is our annual celebration of reading, learning, and curiosity for people of all ages. And I would like to invite you, your family, and your friends to sign up for this exciting program. As part of our Summer Discovery Program, we have created a Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. Today, I will be showing you how to use our balloon art kit. You can find more information about our Summer Discovery Program on our website, lacountylibrary.org, or by visiting your local library location. Did you know colors can influence emotions and thinking? According to psychologists, warm colors such as red, orange, and yellow can be associated with warmth and comfort, as well as anger and hostility. Cool colors like blue, green, and purple are sometimes associated with coldness, sadness, or loyalty. Use the materials provided to mix different colors and create patterns. Depending on the colors you choose, your art piece may create a particular mood or have special meaning to you. For this activity, you will find the following materials in your kit: acrylic paint, mini canvas, balloon, paper plate, and craft stick. Now let's start. Blow your balloon to small size and tie it off with a knot. Step 2. Pour your desired color paints onto your plate. You can either mix the colors together using the craft stick or pour them on top of each color to create a circular pattern. Step 3. Grab your balloon and dip it into your paint mixture and press it onto the canvas. Step 4. Repeat to create your desired patterns. Interested in reading about science of colors and color theories? Check out the ebook Color Psychology and Color Therapy by Faber Birren that can be found on Hoopla and can be accessed at www.hoopladigital.com. Also, if you want to read a story related to art, you can check out Glow by Bryant by visiting the nearest LA County Library location, or check our website for more books about art, artists, colors, and more. We hope you enjoyed this Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. You can sign up for our Summer Discovery Program at the library location near you or online at lacountylibrary.org. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.